days, lots of us use our gas grills all year round, but with all that use, it can add up to some serious wear and tear on our grills. So here's a few quick tips on how to keep your grill working safely and ready to fire up at any time. First, you need to remove the rack. Next, you need to remove the lava rocks or fire bricks, whichever your grill may have. Finally, remove the burner. Next, you'll need a stiff wire brush for scrubbing the firebox. It's important to remove any debris that may cause a bigger fire than you want while cooking or catch fire by itself later on. You also need to use your wire brush to clean the cooking rack. Then gently clean the burner fittings with a toothbrush. A bottle brush will also come in handy for cleaning the inside of the tubing connections. And you can flush out the burner with a garden hose. After you're through cleaning, turn the gas on. Use some soapy water to brush over the tank valve, the regulator, and all your tubing connections. If bubbles start to pop up, then you'll know you have a leak in your connections and you'll need to tighten it. Then test it again. If bubbles still appear, then you know that you need to replace that part before you can get back to grilling safely again.